So hello everyone, welcome to your channel ZDPI King. Today we are going to solve Symbiosis National Aptitude Test 2024 paper, which was held on December 2024 itself by Ex-NIBM and CMAT 2021 topper. So in going ahead in this lecture, we are going to see the reasoning question. In our previous lectures, we have solved all the quantitative aptitude questions number by number. If you will see our lecture previous series, right from 16th question we started, we solved 22, 23, 24, 25 till the end of 35th question. But trust me, if you will see the trick I have used in 35th question to reduce your time applicable for the similar question, how you can ace that timing and solve the question within 1 minute or within 40 seconds. That question can be solved using my tricks. So please do watch those videos very carefully. If you have any doubt, you can comment below and you can get in touch with me by WhatsApp me at this number. Also do join the Telegram and WhatsApp groups of different colleges having 200 plus members. Link is given below. So let us start. So as you know, we started this section from 36 number question, and today we are going to solve 43rd, as yesterday we solved 42nd number question. So let us go ahead. So statement is, company has made it compulsory to mark online attendance using facial recognition software notice in an office. So this notice has been given. This is the statement. So firstly, what you have to just make sure while solving these type of question statement assumption based is that you don't have to apply your mind. Just read whatever has been given in the question. Assumption is notice will be read, yeah. If this was wrong, then company has not given any means mark or online attendance wala notice na. If notice will not be read, then why company will be putting notice? There is no logic in this. That's why this assumption is correct. We can imply out of this statement. Second assumption is online attendance will be benefit the company. Is it true? If this was not benefit the company, then what does it mean to apply this online attendance? Are you getting my point? So suppose if there is only one sun in the world, does this mean there is a no sun or there is a more than one sun? No. So this means there is only one sun and there is sun in the world. So like this you have to solve the assumption. Firstly read the statement given in the assumption, then try to nullify this. If you are unable to nullify this is correct. So one and two both are correct. I will go with both because online attendance is implicit by this, notice is implicit by this. So from my side, this will be the correct answer. What do you think? Comment below your answer in the comment section. Thank you for joining us. Make sure you join our group and subscribe and support to our channel.